Do you want to know how to help your team effectively? Did you ever need to help your team but you didn't know how to go about helping them? You know, most people struggle when it comes to helping their team because they don't know what to have them focus on. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to help your team so that they can start having success, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Sifiso Mhlongo here, Njomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business and anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below. You know, a lot of network marketers who have a team, they make a mistake of trying to coach someone on how to think. You know, they might try to coach someone on why they shouldn't feel the way they feel. Or they might try to help someone who is depressed because they are not getting results in their business. You know, talking to a teammate when they are feeling low is a great thing to do, but it won't help them get results. Maybe it'll make them feel better for a little while, but you won't help them get results. You know, you can't fix the way someone thinks and acts, but you can help them fix their actions that they are taking in business. So there are two questions that you should ask yourself and your team members if you are both struggling to get results. First question is, what are you doing? And secondly, what results are you getting? And yes, it's really that simple. When you know what actions you are taking and what results you are getting, you can identify the problems and fix them. You know, your thoughts have nothing to do with your actions, so don't focus on them. For example, most people don't feel like going to work every day, but yet they still do it. Why? Because of the results it brings, the salary. You know, when you start to focus on fixing your action, you'll start to get results, and your results will change your mindset. And that's it. You just have to focus on the actions that will get you results. If you are coaching your team, ask them, what are you doing and what results are you getting? After they tell you what they've been doing, show them how to fix it and give them an action assignment to complete before they come back to you. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.